Y'all make sure to go follow me on Instagram at jcuts. You're going to start off with the first guideline, which is always the bottom line, and I'm going to do it with my Andes T outliner. I don't have it modified or zero gap. It's straight out the box. Now I'm going to start debulking all the excess hair. Now I'm going to grab my Andes shaver to take all the excess hair off and make it completely bald. Right here I grab my wash seniors and I'm going to start making my other guideline, which is going to be the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go about half an inch or an inch, but yeah. Right now, as you can see, I'm playing with my lever. I'm trying to take out that bottom line. Right now, as you can see, I grabbed my number 1 guard and I put it with the lever all the way open. And right now I'm showing y'all the way I'm gonna place the guideline. So once you're done with the number 1 guard all the way open, you're going to see this guideline, and you're going to want to close the 1 guard all the way. You're going to put the 1 guard all the way closed, and you're going to hit it. And the number 1 guard all the way closed is not going to take out this guideline completely. So after this, you're going to want to grab the half guard. So right here, as you can see, I have the half guard and the lever is all the way open, but you're not gonna take it out with the lever only open, you know, you're gonna wanna play with the lever. And right here, y'all want to be careful with the with the half guard, because the half guard could either make your haircut really good or really bad. So right here, y'all can't really see it, but I'm only using the corners. Once you're done taking that guideline out, you're going to want to grab the number 2 guard with the lever all the way open, and you're going to want to flick out with the wrist. Right now, as you can see, I'm showing you how to do it. So once you're done with the number 2 guard all the way open, you're gonna want to close the lever all the way and hit that guideline. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, you're gonna want to hit that line. As you can see, the number 2 guard all the way closed didn't help, so I'm gonna grab my number 1.5, and I'm gonna be playing with the lever. Because the lever all the way open, it's not gonna take it out, so you're gonna want to put it halfway and then close, and then keep playing with the lever. And right here I grabbed my number 3 guard and I put it all the way open. And the reason I did this, I'm gonna hit it all the way to the top of the head. And the reason I did this is because I saw a lot of bulk and I didn't want to leave it like that. So yeah, I just hit it all the way to the top. And right here, still with the 3 guard, I closed the lever all the way because I saw some dark spots that I left with the 3 guard with the lever open. And right here, I'm gonna start doing the C cup, and there's no really tutorial on how to do it. You just gotta keep learning and practicing. Once I'm done with the C cup, I'm gonna start preparing his edge up so I could put the line up. And right here, I started lining him up, and I don't really start in the middle, but the only reason I started in the middle is because I wanted y'all to see it for the video, but I usually start on the sides. And right here, I got my clipper over comb, and the reason I did this is because I saw a lot of overhanging hair on his comb over. So yeah, make sure to not put the comb too close to his head because you're gonna leave a bald spot, but just put it in a 90-degree angle. A veces hasta de mi sombra desconfío. La distancia que nos separa ocasiona un vacío. Mi corazón partió, congelado como el frío. Y hasta mi vida entera estar con los míos es lo que yo quisiera. Si tan solo pudiera a su lado que estuviera. Me dijeron todo abandonado y tiene días que no ha comido. Desesperado, camina en la calle perdido. No ha conseguido alimento y lleva días que no ha dormido. Por un lugar desconocido, a morder va decidido. Tiene hambre de amor, si te acercas, desconoce. And it's just the finished product, guys. So if you did like the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Primero lo primero, voy con los hijos de